Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. Happy Vlogmas Day 6. Today is a special day. We are having our annual cookie baking night. Every year around Christmas time, my friends and I get together with the kids and we just have like such a magical night. We bake cookies from scratch. We bake the icing, we bake the cookies. We decorate them, we build a gingerbread house. It's just a magical night, and that night is tonight. So this year we are gonna be missing two people that usually do it with us. We're gonna be missing Isaiah, he can't make it tonight, and Sarah, she also can't make it tonight. But once everyone starts feeling better and we can all get together, we will definitely make it up to them and have another like magical night. So I'm excited. I'm heading to Target to just grab a couple of last minute things, and then I'm gonna head over to Bath and Body Works to grab some candles. I'm gonna meet my two friends there, and then they're gonna just head over to my house after that. I got everyone like Christmas pajamas, and we're just gonna have a fun night, and I'm gonna vlog it for you guys. Anyways, I'm gonna go to Target now, and then I will see you guys back once I get home. But I wanted to show you guys who's here. We have Nadia. You guys seen her in my previous vlogs, and we have Tanya. Hi. We are gonna start our magical night of baking cookies. So here we go.
Rip it in pieces in here. Just break it. Yeah, just keep breaking. No, but more, little. Really little, like this. Like this.
Da, 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 making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday.
Look at these cupcakes, guys. What?
And little trick for the chocolate chips to stay on top. Throw them in flour.
Throw the chocolate chips in flour? Oh.
And then they stay instead of floating to the bottom.
Wow.
Ready? Ooh, but not too hard, gentle.
Whoa!
Wow, right.
Whoa! Whoa!
What shape should we do? Let's do a snowflake.
Yeah!
And snowman and a
I'm gonna try.
Okay.
La, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, 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 making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times.
Alright guys, now Nadia is gonna make the icing from scratch.
Alright, so 2 pounds of sugar, which is this whole bag. Not keto friendly.
Not at all.
It's 2/3 of a cup of butter. 1/4 of vanilla.
But it's like the hardest thing is like trying to.
That's okay. And yes, you can hand mix this, or if you want to use the electric mixer, that's fine. I'm pretty old school, so by hand it is. It's coming together quick.
And for those of you that don't know Nadia, I'm sure you guys know and watched my previous videos, she is single. So if there's anyone out there that you think would love to talk to Nadia, maybe, you know, just hit me up with my DMs on Instagram. God. Leave a comment down below. She's beautiful. Look at her. Look at her. Look how beautiful.
Really? This close up?
She is, she's very picky, but that's okay. It's fine. So yeah, sorry Nadia, but.
Yeah, put me on blast like that.
And obviously she's a good cook and a good baker, so. Look at this one. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Huh? Not helping?
Exactly, nothing.
I thought this was supposed to be for you. Fine. Wow, that's crazy.
And then, so it should set pretty quickly, so.
What are these?
That's for the cookie.
All right, you want to try one? You want to try one of these? Okay, pick one.
Oh. This one.
Okay.
But this one is very cool.
What do you think?
Nothing up.
What are they?
Are you excited?
Do you remember that me and you and Didi and you are making the last time for us doing the cookies?
Yeah, I remember. And we're going to do it again.
Alright.
Alright guys, everything is done. All we have to do is decorate the cookies. But look at these cupcakes. These are boxed cupcakes, by the way, and I decorated them. Look at these beautiful strawberry chocolate covered cake pops. Wow. Look how pretty. They're so easy to make.
Nice.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately.
Thank you for making the cookies for me.
Aw, you're welcome. For you and Santa, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I love you too.
Keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna